Watch this video for tips and tricks for healthy garden.
Welcome to Live for Loving Nature. I'm Sandhya. I'm going to make this mint plant as bushy. I like to have so many leaves in this mint plant. For that, I'm pinching the tips to encourage more branches and more leaves. I'm going to apply the same tip to my chenna plants too to get more flowers and more fruits. For applying this tip, the plant should have at least 4 to 5 leaves. I'm going to apply the same tip on my bottle gourd plant to encourage more female flowers. Whenever you harvest your methi, always cut the tips. Leave 1 or 2 leaves on the stem so that they can regrow. Follow the same tip on coriander too. Instead of plucking the roots, cut the stem so that they can regrow and you get continuous harvest. Whenever you get onion scrap in your kitchen, don't waste them. Use them as a mulch to your plants. It prevents pest attack on your plants. Add some flower plants to your garden. These flowers can attract bees easily. Bees do the pollination job. If you are growing vegetables in your garden, try to grow lots of yellow color flowers in your garden. This helps to reduce pests in your garden. Invite beneficial insects like ladybug to your garden. These ladybugs eat all the bad insects in your garden like aphids, millibugs, and so many harmful insects in your garden. For inviting ladybugs to your garden, add these plants in your garden. For continuous blooming, try to cut the
dried flowers immediately so that you get new branches and more flowers. For boosting energy, once in every 6 months, keep your indoor plants in rain when temperature is good. Once in a while, loosening the soil helps aeration to the root system and thus helps healthy plant growth. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video of Live for Loving Nature.